you waving? Are you waving hello? Hello. Are you practicing waving? You are, aren't you? Your flowers, yeah. Here are your flowers. You want to go look at them? Yeah. 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 Those are your favorite flowers, yeah. We can't pick them though, because they're somebody else's. Okay, you want to say goodbye to your flowers? Say bye-bye flowers. Bye-bye flowers. Do you see the kitty? Yeah, you do. There she is. Yeah. There's the kitty. You can't see her. Yeah. Yeah, you want to go pet her, don't you? He waved to Kitty. He said, hello, Kitty. Hello, Kitty. Yeah. There she is. Well, she went away. She's afraid of the wagon, I think. Should we try to call her over? Kitty. Come here, Kitty. You think she'll come? Yeah. Come here. Here's your weird spruce. Yeah, it's prickly. It's a little prickly, huh? What do you think? You see a dog? You see a puppy dog? Yeah. Yeah. There's a dog. Yeah. Morning. It's a dog, Stan. Yeah. Hi. He gets so excited when he sees dogs. Morning.
Can you bring her over or no?
Yeah. That'd be great. Is she gentle?
Oh, yeah.
He tries to be gentle.
Yeah, right. She's very kind. Okay, say hello.
That's a beautiful dog, Stanley. Yeah. Yeah.
Rose, come on over.
You want to be gentle? Yeah. Yeah.
Rose, come over here so you can...
This is Rose.
This is Rose, yeah. Hi. Oh, step this way, then she can take this.
Oh, she's so soft, huh?
Yeah. Oh, you got a big head.
Yeah.
It's tickly, huh?
Be gentle, don't pull me. Yeah. You just want to hug her, don't you?
Huh? It's a big hug.
Aww. Yeah, be gentle, Stanley. Look at all that dog hair.
Yeah, right.
Well, thank
Comes
you.
up pretty easily. Good day.
Bye. Bye. Say bye, Stanley. Are you clapping? Clap, 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 clap. hear the Carolina wren? Chirpity, 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 chirp. You just want to touch the tree branch, don't you? You want to touch that tall tree. That's a loblolly pine. That's another dog, huh? Yeah. There's a pine trees above you.